greet you all today's morning assembly. Prayer gives us hope and strength, so let's seek the blessings of God. Kindly hold your hands. Mothi Day is observed over the world, usually under various names to honor Gautam Buddha and his teachings. It enables us to live out the best aspects of who we are and to recall important life lessons. Now I would like to call a state for thought of the day. Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is great. Health is the greatest gift. Contentment is the greatest health. Thank you. Now I would like to call Ira Khan for word of the day. Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is contentment, meaning a state of happiness and satisfaction. Thank you and have a nice day. Now I request Arohi Gabbar for news headlines. Good morning, everyone. News headlines of the day are: Prince Harry challenged unfair treatments over UK security in London court. 29 NDRF teams deployed in parts of southern India. Now in sports news, Novak Djokovic ends year at number one of record 8 times in Grand Slam Championship. Thank you and have a nice day. Now I request Pavni for the pledge. Please take flag position. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians. All Indians. Are my. Are my. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. I love my country.